What is up, guys? Jeremy here and welcome back to another video. So I wanted to show you guys how you can use animated wallpapers on your lock screen of your device. Some of you might not know this or know how to do it. That's why I wanted to cover it in a video, because I think it's a really cool trick, and it also adds, some really cool looking effects to your lock screen. So if we go ahead and go to my lock screen here, and if I go ahead and press and touch on the lock screen, as you can see, the wallpaper is animated. And I think that's a really cool looking effect to have that on my lock screen. Plus the wallpaper itself just looks really good. So even if you don't have it for the animation, it's pretty nice looking. So let's go ahead and jump into our device. And I can't get my face too close to it because it's out of range. But the application that I'm using to get these wallpapers is called Live Wallpapers. If you guys just search that in the App Store, you'll find it. It's, I think, #1 in Live Wallpapers. It's a really good one. It does require a monthly subscription of $4.99, but the first 3 days are free, so you can use it as a free trial. And then if you don't want it anymore, of course, you can end the subscription within the iTunes section of your device. But let's go ahead and jump into it. I'll show you guys some of the wallpapers. So here's like a city looking one, and this is in the 4K Ultra HD section. And I just think some of these are really, really cool. It's something I haven't really toyed around with on my device since I got it, using these live or animated wallpapers. And it's a little bit of a process to enable it. Let's go ahead and let's try this one. Let's save it. All right, so once you've saved the photo, it basically saves to the live wallpapers in your photos. So if we go into settings here, this is how you're going to enable these wallpapers. Just go ahead and swipe down to wallpaper, choose new wallpaper, and then you want to go to the live photos section. So it's not only live wallpapers, you can actually take live photos with your device itself and use those as kind of an animated wallpaper as well, which is really neat. So this is the one that we did just download. So let's go ahead and just set it. We'll set both just to keep it nice and uniform looking. And now you can exit out of settings. And as you can see, the wallpaper is set. So if we go to the lock screen and then press and touch, as you can see, it now has that really cool looking animation. And that's pretty much all you got to do, guys. It's really simple, straightforward. Like I said, I think it's a really cool feature of the of iOS 12 being able to have those animated wallpapers. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.